When they brought 5 loaves to Jesus, the person who brought it said, we only have 5 loaves. What is this among so many? Jesus said, give them to me. Inside those loaves, 100,000 people could have eaten. There was much more in the loaves than eyes could see. You do not evaluate what you have in your hands by what you can naturally see. There is much more. Do you get what I'm saying here? Whatever God is going to bring into your life, He's going to bring it out of something you already have. He didn't come to the earth and say, birds be, and then the birds just came out. All right, fish be, and then the fish came out. He went to the waters. Everything He does, He brings something out of something that is in existence. Let me repeat. Everything He does, He brings. That's why when Jesus wanted to bring wine, He said, first bring water and fill the pots. In other words, we'll draw wine out of water. So you might look at it and just say it is water, but He says we can draw wine out of this. So He will bring something. And it's this hidden wisdom and knowledge here that He is sharing with us, that He wants us to start using in our everyday life. And once we begin to use this thing, then people begin to look and wonder.